Are you tired of overspending on vacations? Look no further. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 budget-friendly vacations for 2023. We have hand-picked destinations that offer a perfect balance of affordability, beauty, and adventure. So sit back, relax, and get ready to start planning your next getaway. Coming in at number 10 is the beautiful country of Mexico. With its stunning beaches, lush jungles, and rich culture, Mexico offers a variety of affordable vacation options. From all-inclusive resorts to budget-friendly hostels, there's something for everyone in Mexico. You can explore ancient Aztec and Mayan ruins, go snorkeling and diving in the world-renowned coral reefs, or just relax on the white sandy beaches. And let's not forget the delicious Mexican cuisine and vibrant nightlife. Mexico is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for a mix of culture, adventure, and relaxation. Number 9 on our list is the stunning island of Hawaii. Although it may seem out of reach for some, there are plenty of budget-friendly options available, such as camping or staying in a vacation rental. And let's not forget about the beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and waterfalls that Hawaii has to offer. You can also go snorkeling, surfing, or take a helicopter tour to see the island from a different perspective. And don't forget about the traditional Hawaiian luau, a must-do cultural experience. Hawaii is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Coming in at number 8 is the charming country of Portugal. From its picturesque villages, historic cities, and beautiful beaches, Portugal offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the historic city of Lisbon, visit the famous Belém Tower, or stroll through the charming streets of Porto. And let's not forget about the delicious seafood and famous port wine. Portugal is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for history, culture, and good food. Number 7 on our list is the beautiful country of Thailand. With its stunning beaches, delicious food, and affordable prices, Thailand is a popular destination for budget-conscious travelers. You can explore ancient temples, go shopping in the bustling markets, or experience the vibrant nightlife. And let's not forget about the Thai massage, a must-do experience. Thailand is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and relaxation. Coming in at number 6 is the historic country of Greece. From its ancient ruins, picturesque islands, and beautiful beaches, Greece offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can visit the famous Acropolis, explore the ancient city of Delphi, or take a ferry to one of the many Greek islands. And let's not forget about the delicious food, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Greece is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for history, culture, and good food. Number 5 on our list is the charming country of Vietnam. From its stunning landscapes, delicious food, and rich culture, Vietnam offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. Vietnam offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the ancient city of Hue, visit the famous Ha Long Bay, or take a motorcycle tour through the countryside. And don't forget about the historic sites, vibrant cities, and beautiful beaches that Vietnam has to offer. Vietnam is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Coming in at number 4 is the beautiful country of Cambodia. From its ancient temples, stunning beaches, and rich culture, Cambodia offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the famous Angkor Wat, visit the charming city of Siem Reap, or relax on the beautiful beaches of Sihanoukville. And let's not forget about the delicious food, vibrant culture, and friendly people. Cambodia is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for history, culture, and relaxation. Number 3 on our list is the charming country of Laos. From its stunning landscapes, delicious food, and rich culture, Laos offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the ancient city of Luang Prabang, visit the famous Guangxi waterfall, or take a boat tour on the Mekong River. And don't forget about the historic sites, vibrant cities, and beautiful beaches that Laos has to offer. Laos is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Coming in at number 2 is the beautiful country of Indonesia. From its stunning beaches, delicious food, and rich culture, Indonesia offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the ancient temples of Bali, visit the famous Komodo Island, or relax on the beautiful beaches of Gili Trawangan. And let's not forget about the temples, markets, and vibrant culture that Indonesia has to offer. Indonesia is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and relaxation. And the number 1 budget-friendly vacation for 2023 is the charming country of Sri Lanka. From its beautiful beaches, delicious food, and rich culture, Sri Lanka offers a unique and affordable vacation experience. You can explore the ancient city of Kandy, visit the famous Sigiriya Rock Fortress, or take a safari to see the wildlife. And don't forget about the temples, markets, and wildlife that Sri Lanka has to offer. Sri Lanka is a great choice for budget-conscious travelers looking for adventure, culture, and natural beauty. And there you have it, our top 10 budget-friendly vacations for 2023. So start planning your next getaway and make it one to remember. Thanks for watching.